One of the first things you'll notice about this car is that glittery new grille, which is flanked by standard LED headlamps. There are also fresh wheels spanning both 17 and 19 inches. Sumptuous soul red crystal paint makes its debut on this sedan as well. Improving refinement, the new Mazda 6's underlying structure has been reinforced in strategic areas, plus the steering rack is now mounted to the body for more direct feel. Additionally, the suspension geometry has been revised for greater comfort and reduced interior noise. Surprisingly, this family sedan's cabin has been totally reworked, and only the steering wheel and a few other small accent pieces carry over from today's model. For 2018, a high-end signature version is offered, which features things like highfalutin Napa leather, special wood trim, and ultra suede accents. The front seats are also brand new. They're wider than before and padded with higher density foam for enhanced support. Ventilation is available too, a first for the Mazda brand. But perhaps the biggest news about this refreshed midsizer is the availability of a turbocharged engine. It can now be had with an unnaturally aspirated 2.5-liter unit that delivers 310 pound-feet of torque. If you put 93 octane premium fuel in the tank, you're also rewarded with 250 horsepower, though if you cheap out and go with regular octane fuel, you only get 227 ponies. For customers that are more concerned about efficiency, a familiar naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-banger is also offered, and it should deliver around 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. With reduced internal friction and the addition of cylinder deactivation, which shuts off the two outboard pots at steady speeds between 25 and 50 miles an hour, it should be more economical than ever. But perhaps best of all, this base engine can be had with a 6-speed manual gearbox for maximum driver involvement. Although pricing has not been revealed, the 2018 Mazda 6 is slated to start arriving at dealerships next spring, and I gotta tell you, I am really looking forward to taking this car for a spin, especially with that turbocharged engine.